here's the result. I don't know that I could say that this cut is exactly like any of the 6. Closest would be, I think, number 2. When I went in and started talking to the hairdresser and showing her the different pictures and what my hair is like. I have very fine hair. Sometimes I have more of it than other times, so it can be really thin also. She told me that layering your hair makes it even thinner, so that when she looked at the pictures, the closest would be, I think it was number 2, that was more kind of just a blunt straight across cut. And so she recommended that. It's pretty short because she wanted to try and get it as level as possible because I had some layers in it. But I really like this length for summer. I think it's really good. It's long enough to still put it up, but not too short. So I guess I would say I went with number 2, maybe a combination of 2 and I think 4, because I did want curtain bangs still as well. And then I went with, if you can see, I love the color. So kind of auburn, dark auburn, like a dark brown auburn and lighter highlights of auburn, which I'm loving. And also should be pretty low maintenance because I've got red in my hair also. So I shouldn't have to go very often for the upkeep of it. But there you go. Thank you so much for everybody's input and choosing. I really appreciate it. I loved all of those hairstyles. I just don't think my hair, being what it is, fine and can be kind of thin, would have ended up looking really good with some of them, but love them all.